So we kind of figured everything out, right? So this big number right here is the wire feeding speed, right? So when you look at the diagram right here, you see that? We're using the thickness of the wire. So we're using 30. See right there, 30. That's the thickness of the wire, right? And then the wire feeding speed supposed to be 165, right? So we go adjust this because we got it on the 30. So we'll adjust this to the 165. So we just keep turning this knob right here. Boom, there you go, 165. Wire feeding speed, right? So now we're gonna hook everything up and we're gonna just start welding. We're gonna try it out and see, you know what I'm saying, what it do. All right, so I got it grounded on the middle. So we got it grounded on the middle. And we got the machine. So we're gonna see what it do. So basically what I'm trying to do, I'm trying to learn how to use the welder and use it in a straight line, right? So I made one mistake is I didn't clean the metal. So we're gonna turn off the machine, we'll come back, we'll clean the metal. And then you see that it works. It's real simple, but you see how I got it like all crooked and stuff like that. And what I need to do is just take my time and try to do a straight line. So we'll try that. But they say you're supposed to do it in like E's, like cursive E's, and go real slow. So we're gonna do that next. So I'm gonna turn it off and I'm gonna grind it down right quick, grind it smooth, little edge, and then we're gonna try it again. So I'm kind of getting the hang of it, just a little bit. I'm not good. This is my first time ever doing this. Right. So these are two lines that I ran. This the first line right here. No, this little line. You see this little line right here? Probably can barely see it. Let me see. This little tiny line right here was the first line I did. Then this one was the second one. And this third, and this is the fourth. I think I might be going too slow with it or something, because if you see, it's kind of bent it, and it's like going through. So I don't know, maybe I'm just going too slow. But you see, it's working. It looks pretty good. Let me scrape it down. Yeah, I think this will work. So what I'm gonna do next, after I finish this whole little board, keep doing it both sides, I'm gonna buy, like, you could go on Amazon, and on Amazon, you could go on there, and they have these little blocks for beginner welders. They got these little blocks that you could use, right, to help you, you know what I'm saying, to learn how to weld, you know what I'm saying, boxes and stuff like that, different designs and stuff like that. So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna go on Amazon, and I'm gonna probably get it today. It's only like probably $5 to get a set of them. And it's just a regular metal, probably this thickness, and you just build it, right? So that's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna get that box, you know what I'm saying, just keep messing around till I get good, because, you know what I'm saying, certain things that I can use this machine for. I can use it for building like more razor dirt bikes. A lot of the go-karts that you get, you gotta fucking weld them and stuff like that. So I can use it for a lot of stuff. It's like any of our furniture break, you know what I'm saying, I can weld it back together. It's a real handy tool, and I only bought it for $90. You know what I'm saying? And it's fun, you know what I'm saying? It's something new. It's a fun experience, something new. You know what I'm saying? So I got more stuff, you know what I'm saying, that I bought, and I'm gonna just keep showing y'all everything that I bought, and then we're gonna get to working, and we'll get to building to different things. You know what I'm saying? So I'm out.